Today I'm going to be reviewing the Jargod Hair Fiber, and I got to tell you guys right now, I really recommend it, especially for the price. So it does come in two different sizes as of now. It has the 100 gram, and that's what I got right here. It's the Ziploc baggie, and I got the dark brown. It does come in various colors, so just look out for the color and try to match it to your hair. So it comes in that 100 gram, and it also comes in the 50 gram. And they also made a pump spray. So you could actually buy the pump spray now. When I first bought this, it was actually just, they were offering the refill bags. And this is what this is. It's a refill bag. So all it is a Ziploc bag like so. And then you can see all the hair fiber in there. And the cool thing about them is they just started making their own bottles. And for what I do is I have a Topic hair fiber bottle. And on the Topic hair fiber bottles, you could actually pop the top like so. So what I was doing, and I was buying this, the refill, and then I was just pouring it in like so. You guys can see it coming out there just like that. Okay, and maybe you get a better look at it right there. Yeah, so this lasts a long time. So this 100 grams, this is my first bag, and I've been at it for probably a little bit over a year now, and I haven't had to buy any refills yet because, I mean, 100 grams is a lot. Let's compare it to this medium size Topic bottle here. Let's see. So this Topic bottle is 12 grams. So this is 100 grams, this is 12 grams, and it's a fraction of the cost. I do got to tell you guys that I believe Topic is the #1 hair fiber out there, but when you compare it to these prices, I'd say Jargod is probably like, I'd say like a 4 out of 5 if I had to rate it by stars, where Topic would be a 5 out of 5. The only thing I don't like is the Jargod. Maybe you could see it right here. They have the hair fibers. Sometimes it's a kind of big hair fibers are in there, and it should be the real fine ones that Topic offers. So that's my only complaint, but with the price tag, you can't even really complain on that. Like, this is 100 grams. Guys, this is over a year. I've been working at it, and I mean, I love the fact that it's so cheap. So I definitely recommend it. I'm going to put some on my head right now so you guys could actually see what I'm talking about. It really does work exactly like Topic does. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and put Jargod Fiber to the test. I do have it in this Topic bottle, but it is Jargod. You guys just see me pour it in there. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and cover up that part that I have right here. And then also, you guys can see that I'm thinning out right here big time. So all it is, I mean, look at that right there. What, couple seconds and it's already covered up. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover up this part so you guys could see how well this product works. Okay, cover up the front. I mean, that's the whole part right there. I mean, guys, that took a couple seconds, and the product is real good. I'm telling you guys, like, it's that 4 out of 5 star. I would give it the 5 star, but some of the hair fibers, like I told you guys, they're kind of big. And it's not a deal breaker. It's only a couple hair fibers throughout that whole bag. So it's definitely worth it. And I definitely recommend it. And I use it myself.